I had to mute this clip because of the music and the background. I mean, it's a little worse than I was expecting, but it's not that bad. Let's check out this backside. Oh no. What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. In today's video, I've got kind of a two-parter for you guys. So right now, I'm heading to a house wash and a gutter cleaning estimate. After that, we're probably going to go to the gym because that's pretty much the only business type thing we have today. And that's pretty much all we've got on the schedule for today, pressure washing wise. It's the weekend. This was kind of a last minute thing. I was going to take the weekend off, but I'm going to pick up the camera and record a little bit for you guys with this estimate and me hitting the gym. And then on Monday, I'll also record a house wash we've got. Man, Facebook is going crazy right now. If you guys aren't doing any paid marketing and you're trying to grow your service-based business, you are completely missing out on a really big market. I would definitely take the time to learn paid ads, whether it's Facebook, Google, Yelp, anything like that, man. Craigslist, whatever you can get your hands on. Just put yourself out there, take the time to learn it, spend the money to learn it. It's going to be worth it in the long run. In the end, it takes money to make money. So I think I've spent about $300 in the past not even week, and we've gotten about 20 leads on Facebook alone. So it is going absolutely crazy right now. And it's the holidays, man. People are still out here spending money. It's the 28th as of right now when I'm recording this. And not even in the past 7 days, I've gotten about 20 leads off Facebook. It's a really powerful tool, and I'll throw a screenshot on screen so you guys can see how powerful it can be, especially paired with things like word of mouth or other sources of marketing. But anyway, speaking of Christmas, I hope you guys have a great holiday and a happy new year. If you're watching this in the past, same to you. I hope you guys had a great one. Comment down below what your favorite gift was this year. I mean, while you're at it, you might as well like and subscribe. Excuse me.
Boy, if you don't...
But now we're on the way home. We still have a couple of things to do on the way there before getting a nice pre-workout meal in and then hitting the gym for an awesome chest pump. If you guys haven't seen the last video, you are missing out on these. Go check it out. I believe the next time I'll see you guys is at the gym. So let's go. Let me know how you guys feel about the workout content. I can make it longer, I can make it shorter, I can leave it out of the video altogether. You guys just let me know. But it is a beautiful Monday morning today, and I'm headed out to the 2-story house wash that I mentioned earlier. I did this estimate over the phone using whatever details they gave me about when the house was last washed and things like that. So it's going to be my first time seeing it in person as well as you guys's. So if there's anything surprising, we'll find out together. I am going to record majority of it if the customer allows me to. I'm not sure exactly how much of it will make it into the video. It depends on how long this goes. Also, let me know if you guys want to see longer videos. I try to make these 10 to 20 minutes, but if you guys want to see more raw content, let me know. But I'll see you guys there. I'm going to enjoy some music. So we're here at the property, and she said that I actually could record, so we're going to take a walk around while I'm getting all the air out of my system, and then we'll go ahead and get started. So this is what we're looking at, and pretty much this is the worst of it. There's just some algae on the siding. Not bad at all, though. A little bit of surface dirt as well. You could say that this part is worse, but I'm not sure. But these are the only two sides that are really that bad. The other two sides are really clean, apart from the soffits being a little dirty. There's a little bit of green in there. A little bit of damage to the vinyl there. Make sure she knows that I didn't do that. Overall, not too bad. There's a little bit more algae here. You can see this side. Literally no algae. There's barely anything on the soffits here. And here's the front. Everything should be pretty easy apart from this corner here. It kind of loops around. So I've got the ladder there to take care of that, but that's pretty much all we've got. so you guys can see this turned out really, really awesome. It's still a little wet in some spots, but you can see all that algae's gone. Looks like brand new siding. Boom, boom, boom. All that was green. All of this was green. And there was a bunch of green right here. All that's cleaned up. Customer's very satisfied. This side wasn't too bad. And the front pretty much looks the same, apart from a bunch of cobwebs and stuff that were built up underneath there. And that's a job well done, but pretty much every house in this cul-de-sac is pretty bad. So I'm gonna go do a 5 around with some business cards and talk to the neighbor who actually came up to me while I was doing this job, see if we can't get him on the schedule. We are back in the truck. We actually did book Mr. Harold for a 2-story house wash next Monday. So we'll be right back out there to see him again. But man, on my way out of that neighborhood, I was paying attention to the houses, and I don't think they even have an HOA, because every single house and every single driveway is absolutely terrible. That would be a great neighborhood to door knock after I finish up that job next Monday. Who knows? That may be a video on its own. Let me know if you guys want to see a door knocking until I get a client video. I have had a lot of success with door knocking in the past, so I'd be down with it. But we are on our way to an estimate right now. I may try and record a little bit when we get there, but we'll see what happens. And we are back at home base. They actually wanted the house as well as the lanai. They figured they'd throw it in while I was there cleaning the house anyways. I gave them a fair price, but they have a little bit of traveling going on right now, so they'll get back to me in about a week or two. Maybe not, who knows, but the ball isn't in my court anymore, so we'll see what happens with that. But with that being said, I'm going to end off the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. These videos are already getting a lot more attention than I thought they would, so I'm really grateful for that. I hope you guys continue to enjoy the content. Subscribe if you haven't. With that being said, I will see you guys, you know when, in the next video.